political story that I want to in fact go back to Rahul Srivastava for some perspective. And this story, ladies and gentlemen, is coming in from Bihar. Chirag Paswan, son of former Union Minister Ramvilas Paswan, is battling an all-out rebellion in the party that his father made the LJP, Lok Janshakti Party. 5 of the 6 LJP MPs reportedly met with the Lok Sabha Speaker and demanded that they be recognized as a separate unit and not as part of the LJP. This revolt is being unsurprisingly led by Chirag's uncle, Pashupati Kumar Paras, who has spoken out time and again against his nephew and his antics in the Bihar elections and after the demise of his father. Now, Paras has taken over as a parliamentary party leader, effectively outfoxing Chirag Paswan. In fact, just throwing him off the throne. He is a CEO who has been thrown out of his company by the employees. Now, in an attempt to quell the dissent, Chirag Paswan visited his uncle's residence in Delhi, but was made to wait for 20 minutes outside his residence. He then was allowed in only to be told his uncle wasn't home. Chirag Paswan is facing his biggest leadership test as these rebel MPs have demanded a change in the party leadership and have also said LJP must be part of the NDA in Bihar and work with Nitish Kumar.
सभी लोगों की इच्छा थी कि हम 2014 में एनडीए गठबंधन के पार्ट बने और इस बार के भी विधानसभा चुनाव में हम एनडीए गठबंधन के पार्ट बने रहे। बिहार में एनडीए गठबंधन कमजोर हुआ और लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी बिल्कुल समाप्ति के कगार पर चला गया। अब हमारे दल में 6 विधायक 6 सांसद हम लोग हैं। 5 सांसद की इच्छा थी 6 महीनों से कि हमारी पार्टी का अस्तित्व खत्म हो रहा है, ये पार्टी को अब बचा लीजिए। तो मैं पार्टी तोड़ा नहीं हूँ, मैं पार्टी को बचाया हूँ।
आदरणीय जो सांसद है हाजीपुर से श्री पशुपति पारस जी, वो पहले से भी नाराज चल रहे थे, काफ़ी दिनों से नीतीश जी के संपर्क में बने हुए थे और नीतीश जी ने और उनकी पार्टी शुरू से ही लोजपा को तोड़ने में लगी हुई है और लगातार संपर्क में उनके नेता जदयू के वरिष्ठ नेता श्री ललन सिंह जी लगे हुए थे पार्टी को तोड़ने के लिए और बहुत सारे लोग लगे थे। हमारे नेता वही रहेंगे, चिराग पासवान ही रहेंगे। हम लोग लोजपा से हैं और हम लोग उन्हीं को नेता मानते हैं।
लोकसभा चुनाव के समय हमारे मित्र और साथी स्वर्गीय रामविलास पासवान जी के प्रयासों से संपूर्ण एनडीए के घटक चुनाव लड़े बिहार में, जिसका नतीजा ये हुआ कि एक सीट को छोड़ करके सभी लोकसभा की सीटों पर हम विजयी रहे। उनकी अकाल मृत्यु ने हम सबको व्यथित किया और उनके पुत्र की राजनीति के महत्वाकांक्षा का और गलत राजनीति का नतीजा है कि उन्होंने विधानसभा चुनाव में एनडीए से अलग होने का फैसला किया, जिसका नतीजा उनको भी भुगतना पड़ा।
देखिए, जो कुछ लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी में बिहार में हो रहा है वो पशुपति पारस जी को आप ब्लेम नहीं करें या 5 सांसदों को भी। इसके स्क्रिप्ट तो एक अन्य मार्ग से लिखी जा रही है। पारस जी कुछ भी कहें, मैं तो सीधे तौर पे जो अदना सा भी एक राजनीति की समझ रख रहा है उसे पता है कि ये स्क्रिप्ट कहां से आ रही है, उसका सोर्स पता है और उसका डेस्टिनेशन भी पता है।
Cutting across back to National Affairs Editor India Today, Rahul Srivastava for more perspective on this big political drama which is now being played out, though played out in Delhi, but repercussions in fact, Bihar. Rahul, this is Nitish Kumar serving his retribution cold as far as Chirag Paswan is concerned. Chirag Paswan was being seen instrumental in the kind of the result that we saw for the JDU in the elections, recently held assembly elections in the state of Bihar. He is now giving it back to Chirag Paswan.
See, Ankit, in the last Bihar election, Nitish Kumar's dependence on the BJP increased many-fold. The BJP became the senior player. The BJP in the last election, Lok Sabha also proved to be a party which has gained tremendous ground in Bihar on its own. Now, in that scenario, that since Nitish Kumar is weakened and he has to accept the supremacy of the BJP, in that Nitish Kumar knows that LJP was one of the critical elements. It is not just Nitish Kumar, it is also the LJP, Ankit, The problem with the LJP is it has virtually never been out of power at the center for some decades.
Yeah.
Under Ramvilas Paswan, the party has always been part of the ruling dispensation, be the NDA or the UPA. And in that scenario, out of power LJP, poached and predatory JDU is very bad news. And
Yes.
that is why Nitish Kumar may be using it. But this is a situation brought by Chirag Paswan's decision to break away from the NDA, carve a niche as a main player against the JDU. So that's settled. I think the dust is settling on what happened in the election, and eventually I think Nitish Kumar is trying to tell them that I still remain the face of the NDA and that coalition in Bihar.
Look at Chirag Paswan. His father was the union minister. He was hoping that once after his father's demise, possibly he would be getting that position. But in the haste of, in fact, teaching Nitish Kumar a lesson, Chirag Paswan virtually been thrown out of his own party right now. Rahul Srivastava, thank you so much for joining us with all those